Do you ever just find yourself sitting down, on your phone, or gazing away, looking at something, thinking just how annoying those tasks are, but you made the conscious decision and chose not to do them instead? Yeah, I get that. I've been there at some point. Procrastination does suck. So here's how you can get over it. Spoiler alert, this is what Jeff Bezos does as well. Let's get started. Before we get started, how does Jeff Bezos structure his day so we can analyze how he structures his day? In the mornings, just like Elon Musk and Bill Gates, Jeff is an early riser. He often wakes up around 6:30 in the morning. He says, "I go to bed early, I get up early." When his kids get up, he whips them a fresh batch of blueberry chocolate chip pancakes from scratch, and he even does the dishes. After breakfast, he'll continue to put her until around 10 a.m. when he drives to the Amazon headquarters. The time he'll be most productive is between 10 in the morning until midday, a 2-hour-long period where he tackles the day's priority meetings and paperwork. In the afternoons, Jeff will either have meetings or visit the floor of one of his fulfillment centers to make an appearance. His employees know him as a demanding but fair boss, and he likes to get down to the employee level at least once a week to take impromptu meetings on warehouse floors with managers and workers. Jeff, as the chief executive officer of Amazon, sees himself responsible for driving the company in the right direction, and that making high-quality, well-thought-out decisions is the hardest part of his daily routine at the Amazon headquarters. Around 5 p.m., he's done with work and anything remaining is pushed over to the following day. In the evenings, it's typically used for business dinners, where he enjoys more exotic menus. Once, Jeff celebrated a prestigious exploration award by dining on an iguana. After finishing dinner, he heads home. He's a big believer in having an early night, and he's usually in bed by 10:30 p.m. Now, let's analyze how he took advantage of the basic concept of the 1-3-5 rule. From 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., as said, is the most hectic part of his day, where he deals with priority meetings and paperwork. And after that, he just does menial tasks for the rest of the day. How is this exactly the 1-3-5 rule? Well, the 1-3-5 actually stands for 1 big thing, 3 medium things, and 5 little things. What Jeff does is he does the 1 big thing in the morning, but in this situation, it's more probable to be more than 1 thing only. The 3 medium things and the 5 little things are spread throughout the day. So, how can you do this? I've created a template that you can follow. You can just take a screenshot of this. It's simple, yet so effective. I personally still prefer time blocking more. If you want to see the video I made about time blocking, you can check out one of the previous videos. And that concludes the video. If you have any comments you'd like to share, feel free to comment them down below. Hit like if you liked the video, don't if you didn't, and see you in the next one. As always, keep grinding.